there, my name is Gisele from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks you can start to utilize to help you bring more customers to your business by access your website more. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is your website. Just scanning through, I like that you have your click to call phone number here. That surely helps with quick conversions. You have images and content. One thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. Just depend on the competition and the number of keywords on a home page. A keyword is anything someone may type in Google, look for a particular product or service. So on your content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people are searching for it. All your pictures can be considered a content, so I recommend saving those as a keyword. Now I went ahead and inserted your website into a tool we call Ahrefs. It just gives us a basic analytical view of your site. One thing that you look at is the UR and the DR. That means the power and the trust you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered a strong site. So if it's on the lower end, you utilize some of these tips, you help you boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now you have 402 backlinks coming from 24 referring domains or websites. A backlinks and you will find one website linked to another via an anchor text. These links act like an endorsement of your site from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Currently, you are indexed for 523 keywords and getting about 80 clicks to your website a month. Let's take a look at your keywords. It looks like people are searching for a business name in particular. And they're great local by intent keywords. And those are the kind of the ones that we inquiry about. The local by intent keywords target the location and the service that you provide in those locations. So you can clearly analyze them foreign locations that you service. In comparison, I went ahead and I typed mechanics in your area in Google, and I see what you call the map pack in your area. And here it's what you call the organic listings. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack. It's just because the top 3 searches on Google result page receive 75% of the clicks. In other words, if your business appears near the top of the results, it's more likely that a researcher will interact with your business by clicking on your URL, dialing your listed phone number, or getting directions to your business. And there are the citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per Google Business Profile. Those are then placed in various directories such as Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They have their click to call phone number here, about us page, make an appointment tab, images, and content. I inserted them into the same tool. They are getting about 410 hits to their website a month. They have 14K backlinks coming from 192 referring domains. In the long run, you want to match them and beat them for at least 100. Let's take a look at their or also search for their business name in particular. And they have a bit of local by intent keywords, those in different locations that they service. They are all keywords that you can realize in different areas of service too. In conclusion, there is a high percentage of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google. You surely want to be on those top sites. Now implement this strategy, a few ways that you can start claiming Google and get the first page. I hope you found this video very educational. If you have any questions, just let us know. We look forward to hearing from you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and thanks for watching.